Recommendations are very powerful in life. Don't take them for granted for any reason. When someone puts in a good word for you, they are putting their own reputation on the line as well. Whether it is on a general level, business, academics, or work related. Look, they are simply saying, I know this person very well. I trust this person. I believe in them. I know that they can deliver. And if you later fail to show up, if you disappoint, you are not just letting yourself down. You are making your recommender look bad too. I hope you know that a recommendation, no matter how simple, can open doors you never imagined in your life. It can place you in rooms you never thought you'd enter. But whatever you do once you are there, that's on you. So if someone trusts you enough at any point to recommend you for something, go the extra mile yourself and prove them right. You have to deliver. Be excellent at what you do. Be reliable in your services. Go beyond the expectations required of you. You are also making yourself proud. Don't make them regret standing up for you. Because the way you handle one recommendation will determine if you ever get another. So the appreciation you owe your recommender is making them proud of you. Very simple.